Brijendra Pratap Singh, Chairman and Managing Director of Nalco, joins us now. Mr. Singh, good morning. Thank you for joining us. Now, before we talk about numbers, walk us through the macro setup. Tariff war has led to growth concerns which are weighing heavy on metal prices. Do you think that the worst is behind now?
The tariff war, which started somewhere in March or first week of April, now since the tariffs have been rolled back, some stability has come in LME. LME which went down to around 2350, now it is around 2450. But still, since it is for 90 days, the uncertainty is still there. So the high of the LME is still not very much expected. Still, we are expecting that LME will be somewhere around 2450.
Good morning, Mr. Singh. This is Shri also joining in. Firstly, congratulations on a great set of numbers.
Thank you.
I also just wanted to have a follow-up with you on the demand revival, especially from China, because China has actually lifted the aluminium prices higher from the current levels from 24.50 per dollar per ton. Currently, where do you see the aluminium prices headed for the rest of this calendar year?
As far as aluminium prices are concerned, totally depends on demand supply. What we are seeing is the production of the aluminium and the consumption of the aluminium. The demands are slightly on the higher side because if you see the GDP growth of other countries as compared to the India GDP growth is already very high, around 6.7% of the GDP growth. But in other countries, European countries, the growth is not very high. China, already the construction sector is at the on the side is not going to grow very high. Of course, in the China, as far as the production is concerned, they are going to close down some of the smelters to have green power, to modify some of the smelters to have converted into the secondary aluminium sector. So some production in the China will go down, which will boost the prices of the aluminium. But as far as present prices are concerned, which is around 2450 level, we are expecting in the H2 of this financial year, the prices may go somewhere around 2500 or 2520.
Right. Also, sir, last time when we spoke with you, you had guided for a 16,000 crore rupee in terms of revenue for FY25. You've already surpassed your guidance. Now that macro concerns are abating, what will be your FY26 revenue guidance? And will that 10% revenue growth be a fair estimate, implying revenue at about almost 18,500 crores for FY26?
Yeah, this year, whatever revenue growth we have seen, like around 3,800 to around 3,500 to 4,000 revenue growth, whatever we have seen is around 2,100 crores due to the increase in the alumina prices was there and also aluminium prices. Now this year we are expecting average alumina prices which we got last year was around $580. Now at present the alumina prices are at the level of $400. We are expecting that alumina prices will be at the level of around $400 to $450 and LME will be around 2,500 LME will be there. So the benefit which we got last year due to the increase in alumina prices will not be there this year. But yes, this year we are focusing more on increasing our volumes. First, that is we will be increasing our alumina production by around 2 lakh tons, by increasing the aluminium production by 10,000 tons. We are banking on increasing our efficiency and reducing our cost. These three things will drive our profitability, and this year we are expecting around somewhere 16,000 crores of revenue generation will be there.
Right. Mr. Singh, you're adding a new refinery as well, right, in the third quarter of the fiscal. Tell me how much incremental revenue will this new refinery generate, and how much will be the other organic volume-led growth?
As far as this fifth refinery is concerned, will be adding 10 lakh tons of alumina production. It was supposed to come in September, October this year, but some delays in some packages are there. We are expecting to complete this by December or January. After that, the commissioning will start and the initial commissioning will take 2-3 months. Maybe this year we are not expecting any major production from this system. Definitely, next financial year we'll be adding around maybe 6 to 7 lakhs from this refinery.
All right, and also Mr. Singh, since you just guided for 16,000 crores is what you are targeting at for FY26 revenue, give us some sense that what could be the implications on the margins as well, because the last time we interacted with you, you did hint about a contraction in your margins. So if you can tell us that going ahead in FY26, can we expect to see some bit of that happening actually, and what will be your steady state of margin?
Uh, This year, last year, our average EBITDA margin was around 23, 24, it was around 25, 26%. This year, it has jumped to around 46%. Now, in this current financial year, we are aiming to have a EBITDA margin of around 36 to 37%. Whatever our annual plans are there, just few months back, we have an annual plan in which we have fixed up our production targets, our cost, our efficiencies, our specifics. In that, we are expecting that we will be having a EBITDA margin of 36 to 37%.
Okay, Mr. Singh, so great to have you on the show today. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.